Welcome to Timetackle. To export your Google or Outlook calendar data to spreadsheets, go to timetackle.com. Click on the Transform Your Calendar Data button. You can log in with either your Google or Outlook account. To export your Google calendars, click on the Google button. Provide Timetackle the permission to read your calendar data when you are logged in. Once logged in, choose the calendar you want to export. Select a date range. Click on the Preview and Export button at the bottom of the page to see a preview of the spreadsheet. You can now click on the Download button to download the report to your computer. There are plenty of other settings that let you filter, aggregate, and format your data as you like. Timetackle also makes it super easy to create timesheets, invoices, and any kind of custom reports. Try it out now!